Okay, so I've been getting a lot of questions on how to style your hair, and I decided I'm gonna do it now that pretty much we've been locked in. These are my extensions. They've been in for 4 months. And one of the styles is they wanna know how to do one of those braids that come over, which that's what we're gonna do. So what you wanna do is grab about that much of your hair and then very lightly braid, kind of like a double braid so that it looks like that. And then just kind of grab hair here, incorporate it into your hair that you have, twist once. And what I do is I keep on grabbing the hair from here and pulling down to make it so the top stays flat. Come here, grab that. Come here, grab that. Grab here, and then you just keep on braiding your hair back, and that's how you would do that. And then what I would do is you can rubber band this, rubber band it, and there you go.